are you? I hope everyone is happy and healthy. My name is Kiran and I am going to teach you phonics on my YouTube channel Phonics in a Jolly Way. And today is day 3. So do check out my day 1 and day 2. We have learned the letter or the sounds, story and story and song, and today is day 3, so we are going to play a game. So everyone is ready? Are you all ready to play a game with me? Very good. So there is a special guest in our class. Yes, who brings gift for you on the day of Christmas. Christmas. Can you hear the sound? Christmas. Yes, on the day of Christmas. Who bring gift on the day of Christmas? Yes, very good. Santa. Santa brings gifts. So Santa has a sound in his name. So here is Santa. Here is Santa. Santa is in our class today. Class. Class. See, when you're saying class, sound at the end. So Santa wants to play a game. Santa wants to play a game. Ready, ready, ready. Everyone's ready. Ready, ready, ready. Yes. So game is like Santa is going to give you a command. Santa is going to give you a command and you have to follow it like a good children. Yes? I know you all are good children, so you will definitely gonna follow. Okay, so Santa says, stand up, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down. Yay! We all are having fun. So which 2 words Santa has taught us? Sit, stand. Very good. Now the next command is Santa is saying, act like you are sleeping. Sleeping. Show me everyone. Very good, very good. Next command. Okay, Santa says, make a sad face. Sad face. Okay, so Santa is saying, make a sad face. But Santa is saying, I am not happy. Why? Because my all kids are sad. So please show me a smile, big smile. 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 Yes. Smile. So Santa is saying, smile. Very good. Okay. Now what else Santa wants us to do? Hey Santa, what else should we do? You should sing a song for me. Okay, Santa Claus is coming to class. Santa Claus is coming to class. Yay! Santa is very happy today. Okay, another song which we can sing is, which we learned in our day 2. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yay. Okay. Now the last command. Command Santa is giving us is sway your hand. Sway, stop, sway, stop, say, strap. Sway, stop, sway, stop, sway, stop. Sway your hand. Very good. Oh, very happy. So, did you like the game? Okay, you can play this game. Okay, on your birthday parties. Yes, kids will love to play. So, what else? There's another game for you is letter S, box, sound S, box. Okay, one important thing, when is there is a letter and you will find a dot below it, it means you have to not read a letter. It means it's a sound. It's a sound. You have to say a sound. Acha, does your mama call you like Pinky, Pinky, come here? No, mama takes a help of sound to pronounce your name. Okay, so sound, we always use the sound for reading. Okay, so we are going to play a game of sound, sound. Okay, okay, so the game is like this. Okay, so I have so many things with me here, so many pictures, and what we have to do is the sound box is saying I want a word which is having the sound s in it. Okay, so let's start one by one. Which picture it is? Yes, pen, pen. Everyone speak pen. Is there a sound s in it? No, so we will not keep it inside the box. We will keep it out. What is this? Slipper. Let me help you to find out the word slipper. So, we will keep it inside the box. What is this? Car. Car. Is this having a sound? S. No. So keep it away. What is this? Oh, I love to jump on it. Do you? Yes, it's a sofa. Is it having a sound? Does it have a sound in it? Yes, so let's put it inside. Very good. Box is very happy. He's getting so many things to keep. Okay, what is this? Sad. It is having a sound in it. So we will keep it in. What is this? You drink juice with it. Sometimes your milk. Straw. Very good. So it is having a sound. Now what is this? Balloon. Is it having a sound in it? No. Bye-bye, balloon. What is this? Smiley. Yes, it is having a sound of s. So we will keep it inside the box. Okay, the last one. What is this? This is snowman. So is it having a sound? Yes, yes, yes. So we'll keep it inside. And let's keep the box away properly. So, did you enjoy the games with me? Very good, very good. I also like to play with you. So, play this game with your family, friends, and enjoy the world of phonics. And do check out my all other videos on my channel, Phonics in a Jolly Way. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.